The GoPro Hero 9 features stunning 5K resolution, super slow-mo at up to 240 frames per second, insane time lapses, and buttery smooth stabilization. This course will teach you how to unlock the full potential of your camera, and it will give you the filmmaking and photography tools to take your footage to the next level. Then, at the end of this course, you'll learn how to take that footage and edit it into an epic video in under 10 minutes, using only the GoPro app. The course features 3 hours of video with real-life examples from professional productions with top-level athletes. I'm an action sports and adventure filmmaker. I'm the author of The Ultimate Guide to GoPro book series, and I'm a former member of the GoPro Media team. I traveled around the world with the GoPro Media team, working on their commercials, their YouTube videos, and their launch videos. And now, in this course, I'm going to teach you how to get that same quality out of your camera.